I'm not gonna fucking make it in this fucking world because, like, tell me why I just went to fucking Kroger's and got groceries. I just got paid today, my last fucking paycheck, and I spent $73 on popcorn, crackers, Cheez-Its, milk, ranch dressing, tomatoes, just basic shit.
I'm stressed out! This tiny mother thing of face lotion. You know what's funny? Really dry skin. Haven't been using it. Have been using my kids' freaking lotion for their body because why spend money on myself? Shampoo.
Forget the $1,500 car payments and the negative equity. People are really breaking down about real life expenses. I mean, people are reaching their breaking points. And after watching these clips, you're going to understand why. I ain't going to do too much more talking. Let's get right to it. Let's go.
Stressed out! I'm stressed. We should not be working like this. I work my ass off. I'm stressed out. I'm stressed. We should not be working like this. I work my ass off and I can't even pay bills, bro. And they always say don't compare yourself to others, but I see people going to Coachella and like buying all types of shit, just pointless money, and I'm over here and can't even fucking pay my rent, bro.
She's really having a nervous breakdown, and it's sad to see.
So I may delete this later, I don't know, but I'm on my way to go pick up my kids, and I just like needed to vent for a second before I go and put on a face and like try not to show a mom's tired, or that I'm stressed, or that this is fucking hard. And I know I have no one to blame but myself, and I can't wait until, like, we're through this rough patch and I get to set them up in a life where they don't have to maybe feel this, like, part of the journey in life or whatever, but I'm so tired.
You know, it's hard to watch stuff like this, guys, because, you know, I have 2 daughters. Yes, I hope they do find a husband, somebody that can help them out, you know, they can build a life with, but it's just not guaranteed. And that's why I stress to them, you have to go hard. You have to make sure you can be okay regardless, because I'm not going to always be here.
Life. Real question. How are you guys doing it? Because my daycare costs the same as our mortgage, which is just wild to me. And I had a crash out earlier today just about how like really expensive everything really truly is. And I just don't know how you guys are doing it. So I have a corporate 6-figure job. I should be able to afford life. We're not doing anything wrong. Just life is expensive. And I'm the breadwinner in my household. There's this like constant stress, like hanging over my head all the time of you got to make more to provide for your family, especially in this day and age. And it's wild because at the same time, I'm stuck in these corporate handcuffs and I am going through burnout. I don't want to continue doing this. I have like the mental load, hanging over my head. I'm trying to be a good mom, let alone like a good wife, daughter, sister, friend, which I'm failing at all of those things, I feel like. And if you have any tips or tricks of how you're getting through, would love to connect on them because it's wild.
A lot of people don't like to talk about stuff like this. Some people are breaking down and losing it.
He's so mad at life. I'm gonna tell you why. See this? See this? These are wipes, okay? I even stopped buying my toddler his own wipes and sharing these because of how expensive this is. You see this? This is $46. $45.99 to be exact, okay? Let me show you what I got. Body wash. I've been out of this for months because I didn't want to spend the money on it. I've been using my man's bar soap and my bar soap because this is outrageous, okay? This tiny mother thing of face lotion. You know what's funny? Really dry skin. Haven't been using it. Have been using my kids' freaking lotion for their body because why spend money on myself? Shampoo. That's it. You don't believe me. It's right on there.
I can dig it. She ain't lying, man. You go to buy one thing, you leave out there with 5 things, you end up spending $100. That seems like every time I leave out the house, I spend at least $110. Don't matter what it is. Whether I'm going to Target, Walmart, it doesn't matter. I'm always spending money. Things are just so expensive now. It's crazy.
I'm sorry, but when it costs $100 to fill up your gas tank, and it costs $50 from Walmart to get enough groceries to feed a family of 4 for one night, and you lay awake at night stressing on which bills you can pay this pay period and which bills are safe to put off until next month, or can you pay half? I'm sorry, but this economy is bad, and if you're hurting, you're looking for extra grocery money, you're looking for a little money to save up to go on vacation, you're trying not to stress over the gas in this economy.
I have 3 jobs, and I'm still struggling.
Wow.
I am a teacher. I tutor after school. I just got through with one of my tutoring sessions, actually, and I also make content. I have 1 full-time job with full benefits, and then 2 part-time / contract jobs, and I am still struggling.
Wow. That's tough. That's tough.
The solution is not to get a 4th job. There's something wrong with this world. Something has got to give to where we live in a world where people can work multiple jobs and they're still struggling. What does that say? Like, the solution isn't you need another job or you're just lazy and you don't want to work. We're working multiple jobs. What more do we have to do in order to live comfortably in this world? I think it's ridiculous.
So that the average American doesn't have any money left over, if but maybe $200 or $300 left after they get paid every 2 weeks.
Yep.
Or every month. Did y'all know that? I'm sorry, but that I literally feel like drive me to voluntary homelessness. I would volunteer to be homeless. There's no way they'd have me out here working for anybody and I can't live life after I pay bills. Y'all can have these bills back. Take the car, take the crib. You can have it. Listen, I'm going to be homeless on the streets before I dare. Because, see, the way I'm set up, my Father which art in heaven would never have that be my portion. That's not my portion. There's no way that paying bills and not having any money left over to really exist.
I'm parked in front of Dollar Tree because I'm about to go in there and get some essentials. But before that, I honestly just had like the only crash out because I had stopped to get gas, right? And I'm really in a place in my life where I'm really budgeting my finances because I just don't got it like that. I'm in a real crunch, survival, financial fucking rut. And I know it's not forever, but this is just the chapter I'm in. And as much as I try to be positive sometimes, like, it's really hard. It's really hard to be in a financial, like, survival mode when you don't know what your next move is. You don't know where your next resource is coming from, because it fucking makes you hypervigilant. And like, when you're hypervigilant, like, you can't relax, your brain can't shut off, and you can't stop worrying, and that shit just drains all your energy. Like, having to worry all the time drains your energy. And I understand that, like, people are like, oh, pray, and don't get me wrong, I pray, but when I'm about to take a shit and I don't know when the next fucking slice of paper toilet is coming from, like, you know, that's real life 3D shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I feel like it's a really difficult place to be in. And so with that being said, I had $25 in like my Apple Cash card. And so I was like, all right, bet I'm gonna go to the gas station. I'm gonna get $15 of gas. And then the rest, like, I'm gonna take to get like a little bit of essentials at Dollar Tree. And when I asked him for 15 regular, he had put gas in my car and it charged my whole shit. And I just stood there because, like, I'm not trying to crash out in front of this man, but I'm like, fuck. Like, I literally don't have anything else. Like, my regular account is negative. Like, fuck. I have no toilet tissue. I have no, like, I need stuff for the house. Like, I don't have water. Like, I don't, oh my God.
Man, that's tough right there, man. And that's a lot of people living like that. I just wanted to put this out there, guys, because I know a lot of people can relate to this. And again, if you're struggling right now, you're not the only one. We all going through it. You know, things are just tough for a lot of people right now. And of course, you're going to have some folks that, you know, they doing well for themselves. So they're not going to fully understand, or they're not going to feel it. But just keep pushing. You know, it's dark now, but the sun will come up and things will get better. just can't give up. You got to keep pushing, especially if you got people dependent on you. You got to just keep grinding. If you like this video, you like videos like this, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching. I'm going to try to do more videos, try to expand my reaction. I got some new equipment I bought. I got a mic. I got some things I'm about to change up the editing and, you know, try to make the videos a little more exciting. So stay tuned for that. So make sure you subscribe, and I appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all on the next one.